Spin it now. Let it go. See guys, it can actually float. This fidget spinner, it's my friend who gave it to me in the store, and he told me, do I want to try this fidget spinner? I say, yeah, why not? It's okay, you can stop your magic trick now, I'll leave it float. He asked me, do I want to try it at home? I say, yes, why not? I say, yes, why not? And he gave me it for free, and maybe I'm going to give away this fidget spinner, so stay and at the end of the video so you can know how to win it. And I'm going back to the store. I'm gonna bring $150 because they're only $25 each. So I'm going back in the store and buy much more and give them away on YouTube. But the only thing was not really good at it, because when it's floating, it doesn't spin for long. See, it's floating by himself. Yeah. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Let's try to break 1,000 likes on this video and 200 subscribers. At least 200 subscribers. And stay tuned to the end of this video, guys, and look at the comments below. I mean the description below, and I'll write the way to win this fidget spinner. Bye.